Hello children, I am going to show you a very nice experiment today with this ball and this hair dryer which your mother uses in the morning to dry up her hair. Okay, now what I am going to do is start the dryer so it starts giving out fast air. Put this ball on the top of this and what do you expect? You expect this air to throw this ball out, right? Let's see what it happens. Let's see what happens. 1, 2, 3 and go. This is what happens. It's not getting thrown away. It's rather stuck here. Okay. Okay. Let me stop this. Now what I will do is I have put thread here on another similar ball and I'm going to see what we can learn about what is happening to the ball. Okay. I pull this thing out very gently and look at the thread. It's straight. Okay, I pull this out. Okay, it's untangled. Okay, something nice, beautiful. I have never seen something. Oh. What is happening? Why this ball is not being thrown away? That's one thing. Okay. Another thing, when I pull this out very gently, if I pull it hard, of course it falls out. But if I pull it gently, it is being sucked in. You can see the wire is becoming this thread is becoming very straight. It means it is being pulled into it. Okay, from all the directions. Even if I put it here, it still goes in. Which means what? Who is pushing this ball towards the middle of this, towards the center of this? It must be the air in this region, right? There is nothing else. What else could push this in? There is only air to push this in. But why that air is pushing this in? Here if I keep, it is air around here is doing nothing to this, right? It stays here because the air around in this region is pushing it this way. This air is pushing it this way. This is pushing down, up. So it's balanced. Only earth is pulling down or my hand is lifting it up, but air is doing nothing special in any direction. When this is on, it's being pulled in, which means there is only one thing that could be happening, that the pressure here is lower than the pressure in this region. Okay, if the pressure here is lower, then this ball will be pushed into this region because the air would like to rush into this, right? And that's why it's being pulled in. I want to show you a little bit more with these balls. Okay, let's see. And we'll stop with that. Okay. Now I will tilt this thing. Okay, I'll tilt it. Now it goes very far. I keep tilting. I may try to make it horizontal. It falls down. Okay. And if I take it like this, you see? When I move this, it also moves. Oh, fantastic. And to you. Okay, we will. Oh, this is nice. Oh, maybe if I just have this idea. Let me see. Is it over or you have some minutes? Okay, let's see. Let's try this. I have made this thread shorter. Like some insect. Okay kids, so we saw some phenomena. In the next video I will try to show you
What's the meaning
really
of
the
phenomena?
phenomena is something which is happening. Okay. Now in the next video I will try to show you the air around this. I will make it visible so that you can see exactly what is happening. Okay, and then you can you will remember it for your life. Bye bye kids.
Bye.
Bye.